Hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, wrapping up a mobile installation on this brand new 27 Model Y. I am down in Oshkosh today, and this vehicle got a full interior, full exterior, 8-year coating applied. The folks that own this vehicle booked the entire menu, and it is absolutely beautiful. I have a separate video showing that the frunk is included as well as the trunk. I will show a little bit of the interior here. Again, you get that nice pop with no grease on all your black surfaces. The white comes to life, helps prevent that gene transfer. That gene dye is such a headache. Mats are left out to cure, to allow curing overnight on the fabrics. So yes, there's no mats in there currently, but 8-year coating on the full exterior. So glass, it's a Model Y, you got the glass up and over. It's almost a requirement to book the full exterior with a Model Y. Rims, beautiful tire shine. Yes, I have a high gloss SaO2 tire shine now. Definitely wouldn't go as far as saying it's ceramic coating, but all the plastics, so around the wheel wells. This is something I always show off too, because this is one that gets missed by many detailers, is catching in here. And even without a full interior, that would have been done, just that the plastic from the outside of the vehicle goes cleanly to the inside of the vehicle. You'll see that on like Subarus too. Sometimes Jeeps have plastic right there, but if you need a quote for your vehicle, 920-659-0023. My name is George. Again, that's 920-659-0023. Yes, we can come to you anywhere in the state of Wisconsin. So I know this one's only down the road from my shop in Oshkosh today. About 25 minutes from Appleton, but my mobile, it's a flat fee, $95 for up to 100 miles from the shop. So Madison, Milwaukee, give me a shout. Come serve all the lakes down there. Manitowoc, Stevens Point, you name it. I will come to you and take care of your vehicle. All you need is a garage with basic water and power available. It's a very clean process. I wash outside unless you want it done inside, and then it comes in. And as I said, from there, the process is incredibly clean. And the soap suds are always gone by the time I leave. Coatingsbythebay.com, or you can text me 920-659-0023. If you're looking for ceramic coating for your new vehicle, whether it's a Tesla or something else, look forward to hopefully talking soon.